Hey guys, so I thought I'll do a Porsche RS Spyder or Spyder RS video in the rain, of driving in the rain. I have summer tires on the car, but this car drives like a champ. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but because the car is so loud, but I'm really impressed with the way this car drives. You know, even when it's pouring rain. Okay, I gotta switch lanes.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 37 on the right onto Route 24 east towards Springfield.
Alright. So I've been driving pretty spirited on the highway. I'll push it a little bit more when I get
Keep
off
right.
the exit. I take the exit right here. Okay.
In about 10 miles, take the exit to merge onto I-78 west toward Clinton.
As you guys may notice, I don't use my wipers that much because the water usually falls off because of the ceramic coating, but this one I gotta use it once. Okay, it's cleaned up. There's a lot of traffic in here to really push this car. There's a few guys who have driven their Spyder RS in the rain. I have driven this car in the track once with rain, wet conditions, and the car performed really well. In normal road conditions, you know, the car goes really well. And even in the rain, the car is quite planted. Not a lot of space here. So, well guys, car's a champ. I love this car. I think it's probably one of the best Porsches ever made. Especially now that everything is like part electric, part ice, so it's like everything is a hybrid. I'm glad I picked one up before this hybrid craziness. So now everything is a hybrid, but you know, I don't know about the electric battery and the turbochargers and things like that. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. All right.